Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you well. Today I want to train the Mawatte gedanbarai. I teach completely the Mawatte gedanbarai in Zenkutsu Dachi and nikoashi. I want to teach you. Please follow me. From the side, I go to Zenkutsu Dachi with the gedanbarai. When we go to Mawatte, the back, for example, the left leg near the other leg in this side, and Mawatte go to back in 45 degrees behind of my body. This I sit and completely rotate and do the Zenkutsu exactly. Again I show it. Ichi, knee behind of my body 45 degrees. I rotate and exactly do the Zenkutsu Dachi with the speed I show it. When the left leg near the right leg, I do my leg X. The left hand go exactly from the right hand, go Mawatte. In this position, I do gedanbarai with the rotate and do the Zenkutsu Dachi with the Mawatte gedanbarai. Ichi, hikita in the hand, gedanbarai, the left leg near the right leg, knee, Mawatte in 45 degrees, and rotate with the Dachi and techniques of hands, gedanbarai. The hikita of gedanbarai should complete, and I do it completely again. Ichi, hikita of gedanbarai, and knee, complete gedanbarai. For the last practice I do it. Now we want to teach the Mawatte gedanbarai or the other technique in nikoashi dachi. For example, we want to Mawatte in nikoashi dachi with the kakeuke. We show this in Mawatte style. My front leg go near the back and go to 45 degrees to my floor complete, and with a rotate we back and do the kakete, the behind of my body exactly. Again I show Heichi, step 1, knee, step 2, rotate